With this, we have a lot of the work done. We only left with a few touches and our logo will be ready. So now with the text tool, let's type the word Harry in lowercase, but then after typing H, give a double spacing and then RI. Change the font to Annabelle script and change the size to about 100. I think 100 is still too small, but you can click from the right and top corner to a size that will be okay for our artwork. Click and position it to where will be good. So let's make the font size about that's 515 so that it fits what we're doing. I think this already looks good. And now let's type our word math, beginning with a capital M, and change the font to scrap it up, and also position it beneath the R. Now, what we want to do is to give it the same color shade of the move in the A. So what we can do, we have to select our grouped objects and ungroup them so that we can have them as individuals again. And to make this simple for us, let's select our word, the HRI, go to edit, copy properties from, then we make sure fill is select. We copy in the field, okay, gives us an arrow. And let's point to where we have our violet or move field. And ta-da! So easy to copy a field. Now let's select all of them and group as one object and hit P on the keyboard to center it on the page. And our Harry Matt logo is complete. Congratulations! But I would like to take us a bit further to help us change the color schemes easily. So now what we're going to do is copy our object which has been grouped, copy, hit the plus sign to create a new page, right click and paste it. Now you can either click this icon to ungroup or right click and let's ungroup everything. Let's say we do not want the mauve color scheme, so let's select our HRI. When you come down here, we can see the color scheme. Select our interactive fill tool and let's change our colors. So select the mauve. Let's say we want something goldish. So we drag this down to that point, select top one gold. Then we select our dark shade of violet and also make it a dark shade of gold. And so easy. So now what we're going to do is make sure our mauve is ungrouped and then we select our mauve circle. To be sure it is selected, you check the fill here and you know it's selected. And instead of going through the whole process, you can again simply come to edit, copy property, copy in the fill, this time copying the fill from here, and we have it. Now let's change our smaller circles also to a mauve color, which we already have in our color palette. And then we're going to select our blue shade and change it to a mauve shade. And Voila! We have another shade of our Harry Matt logo. So I will encourage you to just keep trying with so many colors, fonts, and shapes to see which one best fits your description. Remember, you already have a design brief which you are working with. So make sure that everything you're doing is in consultation with what your client wants. And I believe with this, your client will be very much happy with you. Thank you for staying till the end of the course. We hope to see you in our subsequent courses. And I hope this has really been very useful. Thank you and see you again soon.